How to delete Twitch account on Android or iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete Twitch account on Android or iOS. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Twitch app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and update your Twitch app. Once you have done that, you may now open your Twitch app and then go to your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen. And then go to Settings and go to Help and Legal and then go to Security. Wait for it to load and then make sure to click on this three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and look for Browse right here. Wait for it to load once again, and if it requires you to log in, then simply log in with your account. And then now, you may zoom in your page if you want to, and click on your profile found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then go to Settings and wait for it to load. So you may zoom out your screen once again, go to the bottom, and then you may be able to see this disabling your Twitch account option. So now, if you want to disable your Twitch account, you can do so from the disable account page. So make sure to click on disable account and wait for it to load once again. And then right here, you may see the account to disable and then tell us why you are disabling your account. So type in your reasons, click on disable account, and then that's it. That's how you can delete Twitch account on Android or iOS.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.